Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of the connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So we've got animals, but it can't be that easy, can it? Well, for a start, we've got these 4 plus zebra. So there's 5 animals anyway. So let's think of something else. There's string and bass and wind. Those are all sorts of parts of an orchestra. Although it's woodwind, so I'm not quite sure, and I don't know what the 4th one would be. So I don't like the sound of that either. Bass guitar, string guitar. I suppose maybe a chain is part of a guitar, but then wind wouldn't be. So again, we'll have to come back to that. We've got desert. What are we going to do with that? You've got sand in a desert and wind in a desert, but again, that's only 3 words that go together, and it's not really a group, is it? So, what are we going to do instead? Oh, there's even dove. I didn't put that into the animals group either, but of course that could theoretically be there. Speed trap, tourist trap. Oh, sand trap. Wind trap. Can't see anything else that could go in this group. Oh, but it is one away. Chain trap? String trap? Bear trap? Ah, okay, so bear must be in that group. So that means bear is not in the animal group, but that still doesn't help. So which of these is not in the traps group? So we've got a traps group, we've got an animals group. Now, what is series? That doesn't really go with anything else that I've mentioned so far. You could have a TV series. A series of rounds of something. Oh, a series and a chain are obviously the same thing, aren't they? And a string. And a train. That's more like it. I don't think that's actually helped with anything else, though. Because none of those go before trap, and none of those are an animal. So, bass trap, no. And bass is not an animal. Desert trap, no. And desert is not an animal. So what goes with these 2? Desert, desert, bass drum, bass or bass, desert or desert. Maybe that's the connection. Maybe they've just got 2 different pronunciations. Wind and wind, dove and dove, perhaps? I mean, it's a little bit of a stretch, but it could be correct. They are heteronyms. That's exactly what I was saying, just without using that word. Right, so these 4 are animals. They're not animals. Oh, that's because bear. Oh, that was careless. Bear goes in that group. Of course it does. Bear is the trap. Those are just... Oh, they're all black and white. I might have got that if I'd thought about it more, because obviously that's the main characteristic of the panda and a zebra. I'm not sure I knew that an orca was black and white. I've not really thought about it. They're just usually a bit wet. And that is the traps group. So that was a little bit careless. I should have got that in 5 rather than 6. But I was never going to get that without making a mistake. So never going to be a perfect game. But I didn't fail. That's the important thing. I got through it. Not the easiest one today compared to some of the ones we've had recently. But maybe you did better than me. In which case, let me know in the comments. And let me know if you did worse. That's the Connections game. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.